All right, you're almost there. So in this video, we are going to create a truck and add a technician to the truck. And we'll go over adding materials to that truck location as well. So in the stock tab, we're going to head over to the truck tab. And you can see we have a number of trucks that we've already created. I'm going to add a new truck by clicking the Add Truck button. It's going to select the new location as truck. And we're going to enter in the details of this truck. We're going to give it a truck name. This can be the name of the technician, or some people may have fun with adding names to their trucks. I'm going to be a little boring here. Give it the license plate as a unique identifier, the make, model, and we can select technicians. I'm going to add William to this truck and hit Add Truck. Now, we've added this new truck to our fleet, and you can see that it currently has 0 materials here, but William is assigned to it. So now when William logs into his truck on the technician app, he'll be able to see that truck appear and the materials that we're going to put in just now. I'm going to head over to the catalog. And I'm going to select a few materials to then transfer into this truck to seed it with the first materials that we're going to place into it. There's 2 materials here, like Add to Truck or Add to Location. I'm going to select the truck that we just created, put in the quantity that we're transferring over, hit Add Material. Now if we head back over to the stock location, click on Trucks, we'll see that William now has 2 materials inside of his truck, and when we click on them, we'll be able to see that he has that inventory in place with all of his details. If you need to add new materials to his truck, you can start the new material flow directly from the truck management. Or if you're on the iOS or Android application, you can also add materials if you're taking inventory directly as a new item in the truck.